Hey guys, and today we're gonna be playing Elvendale. Like I said in the last video, you can check that out. Today we're gonna be playing Elvendale. Today we're gonna be choosing what we're gonna be: humans, elves. Deeply rooted in natural, live and breathe magic. Existing in close harmony with nature. Pretty cool. Tim and Pascal and Greece. Elvenar. Oh yeah, it's called Elvenar. I think I'm gonna go with elves. Elves seem pretty cool. So yeah, today we're gonna be playing Elvenar. And yeah, if you hear that in the background, that's my brother playing Paw Patrol. Please, okay. So yeah. I hope it's good because I think I'm gonna make a series on this. So yeah, we're gonna be playing Elvenar, and I hope it's good. You think this game is gonna be good or bad? Steps. Want to build a splendorous city? We need to start straight away. Okay, start straight away. Quick, place. Our first residence. It's a residence. I'm just I want it there. Yeah. So building the residence. Like it here. Technology. I like technology. I'm Elf Maisie. Yeah, I'm Elf Maisie. Well, that's what I named myself. Oh. Research. Knowledge point says no technology. How many knowledge points? How screen, build decision name. Over time. Okay. Workshop. Do I have to place it here? Oh, whoa. Citizens pay taxes and produce supplies. In return, we should keep them happy. So, new culture to our city. Let's research something. I don't want to research something. Oh God, my ears hurt. Yep. Okay. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just following this guy's letters and words and stuff that I don't understand. I'm just hoping that I'm doing the right thing. That's ugly. Really? Oh, that might be a little important. Beverages. many beverages? This? No. I have to move it? Can I have to move it. Done. No, I don't. I don't think it's much better. It's worse. This guy is kind of stupid. He should be part of our stupid game series. No, I'm gonna get a picture of that guy, and I'm gonna put him in my stupid game series. Every time that something stupid pops up, I'm gonna pop him up. Several times. I don't care. I don't care. I do not care. And I don't care. What just happened? What just happened? Oh, very easy. What are the... Go! What the heck? What? This confused me so much. And I haven't even got started. Others, when it was successful, here's knowledge about his province, perfuse investigations. Okay, good. I think good. Was curious encounter still got Mr. back. Huh? Am I recording? Oh, sorry. Very increase our knowledge of this province. Huh? Oh, yeah, I'm recording. Alwyn Splend. I don't know what that means. I don't care what that means. What is this? Is this secret? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, actually. What? Who believes that wishing a home and yeah, so when I was moving here, it's because he was building a residence. I don't want about no residence. I can place it anywhere. Hold on, I'm gonna place it right here. Seems like a good place to place a residence. Culture. Oh yeah. Okay. Huh? Oh, okay. This is boring. Okay, get this video to 100 views get this video up to 20 views in the next week and I'll make another video for this. I believe that the wait, oh, I read that. Awesome. Awesome. That's awesome. What do I do now? Okay, I'll build 2 workshops. Wait, do I have to build 2 workshops? I'm just guessing I want to. Did I not? I'll upgrade it, I guess. Oh, wait a minute. Oh man, maybe that dumb. I think awesome. It wouldn't be that bad if stomach had a growl. What now? Stop beverages. From what here? Wait, what? No, I want to. No, how do I? Huh? Huh? What? Where do I get these from? Where do I get these from exactly? Oh. Awesome. I'm just gonna follow this guy's quest. 10 some residences. 4 residences? Oh, Pope. I want 4 residences. Residence, I guess I have to though. Do I have to? Tired. It's late. On my clock, it's totally wrong. It says finish. What the heck? Awesome. How do I have 2 of you? Okay, but how do I have 2 of you? Oh. Oh yeah, 3 workshops. I need more for path. Place is actually kind of fun, I have to say. Well, I think that's a good place to end, collecting this money. What? Oh, okay, finish. Awesome. Okay, well, see you guys later in the next video. See ya. Wait. See ya.